This is the calm before the storm. This is what San Diego, Southern California sky looks like at 7:17 p.m. Mesa. We're here on Mira Mesa Boulevard. And yeah, it's 7:18 and it's beautiful. That feels so good. And Hurricane Hilary is supposed to be just around the corner, but gorgeous. You know, I can't capture how pretty this really is. It's so pretty. Yes. It's you can't capture it. It's so beautiful. It's like a love, it's like, yeah, it's like a love letter from God. So this gentleman here is appreciating it too. The air feels clean and good, and that sunset, just, goodness gracious. I haven't seen a, the sun is like golden right now. It's like it's magnificent is the word.